Resetting the idle air control valve on your specific make and model of vehicle.
Hey there, car enthusiasts! Today, we're going to talk about an essential component of your vehicle's engine called the idle air control (IAC) valve. If you're experiencing idle issues such as rough idling or stalling, it may be time to reset the IAC valve. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of resetting the IAC valve on your specific make and model of vehicle. So, let's get started.
What is the idle air control valve?
Before we jump into the reset process, let's quickly understand what the idle air control valve is and how it functions. The IAC valve, also known as the idle speed control valve, regulates the amount of air that enters the engine when the throttle is closed. It ensures the engine maintains a stable idle speed, especially during deceleration or when the vehicle is at a standstill.
Identifying your make and model.
The first step is to identify your specific make and model of vehicle. The location and resetting procedure for the IAC valve can vary depending on the car you own. To find accurate instructions, refer to your vehicle's owner's manual or do a quick online search using the year, make, and model of your car.
Gathering the necessary tools.
To reset the IAC valve, you'll need a few basic tools. Make sure to have these tools ready before proceeding. Screwdriver or wrench, depending on the fasteners used to secure the IAC valve. Cleaning solution, if cleaning the valve is part of the reset process. Shop rag or cloth. Safety gloves, optional, but recommended.
Locating the idle air control valve.
Once you have your tools ready, it's time to locate the IAC valve in your vehicle. The valve is typically situated near the throttle body or intake manifold. Refer to your vehicle's service manual or online resources specific to your make and model for detailed instructions and diagrams to pinpoint the exact location of the IAC valve in your car.
Resetting the idle air control valve.
Now that you've located the IAC valve, it's time to reset it. The exact process may vary depending on your vehicle, so always refer to the specific instructions for your make and model. However, here's a general outline of the steps involved. 1. Disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery to ensure safety and prevent any accidental electrical contact. 2. Remove the electrical connector attached to the IAC valve. This connector is typically secured with a tab or clip that needs to be pressed or gently lifted to release. 3. Remove the IAC valve from the throttle body or intake manifold using the appropriate screwdriver or wrench. Again, the fasteners can vary, so be sure to use the correct tool. 4. Inspect the IAC valve for any signs of dirt, carbon buildup, or damage. If necessary, clean the valve using a recommended cleaning solution and a shop rag or cloth. Avoid using harsh chemicals that may damage the valve. 5. Reinstall the IAC valve by securing it back into the throttle body or intake manifold and tightening the fasteners to the specified torque. 6. Reattach the electrical connector to the IAC valve, ensuring it is securely in place. 7. Reconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Congratulations! You've successfully reset the idle air control valve on your specific make and model of vehicle. Remember, it's crucial to follow the instructions specific to your car too.